Hello and welcome to the Wealth Mindset series, Part 1. Have you ever stopped to truly examine your mindset where money is concerned? Because your relationship to money can have a huge impact on your emotional, mental, and physical well-being. This is the first in our 30-video series on developing a wealth mindset. The aim is to help you see money in a balanced and intelligent way. So let's begin. A wealth mindset is the term used to describe a positive relationship with money. A wealth mindset absolutely includes a clear understanding of your budget and spending habits. But it's much more than profit and loss. A wealth mindset translates to other areas of life, including, but not limited to, your health, your relationships, your respect for, and perception of, others, and so much more. Before we look at the wealth mindset, let's look at the opposite, which of course, is the poverty mindset. The poverty mindset comes from a place of lack. A poverty mindset pits people against one another, because there's a sense of not enough or competition. A poverty mindset sees others as a threat, or out to get what is yours. People coming from a poverty mindset are often consumed with and focused on hoarding anything they have. Whether it's money, resources, love, and more. They're always trying to keep themselves from facing dire consequences. They're convinced that there's never enough to go around. A wealth mindset, on the other hand, comes from a place of inclusion and endless resources. A wealth mindset believes that there is more than enough. And the more you share, the more you have. It's a radical shift from the poverty mindset way of thinking. As a matter of fact, changing your mindset from poverty to wealth focus can be a game changer in every area of life. Finding wealth in your mind often leads to wealth in all areas of life. Being fulfilled financially opens up opportunities to do more, be more, and give more. Living with a poverty mindset keeps people on a hamster wheel, always grinding out more and more, hoping to achieve a financial goal. They often believe that when they reach the goal, they can consider being more generous or open to others, because then they'll have more resources. But it never happens that way. The truth is, living with a poverty mindset makes people scared and stingy. And reaching their goals doesn't usually stop their habits. If anything, they become super protective of what they have since they worked so hard to get it. Making the switch from a poverty mindset to a wealth mindset isn't like flipping a light switch. In order to combat years of poverty thinking, a deep dive into the mindset and habits has to be done. The good news is, it can be done. The first step is recognizing that a lack mentality is not a good way to show up day to day. Life is meant to be lived well and enjoyed in community. Changing your mindset to wealth-focused can happen one small step at a time. The Wealth Mindset series is continued in Part 2.